We're making Citron Pistachio Cookies. This cookie begins by creaming 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and 65 grams of confectioner's sugar will give us the perfect texture. Whip until fluffy, about 3 minutes. That is, if your butter was soft. Meanwhile, zest the lemon, add that to your whipped butter, along with 14 grams of lemon juice and a broken lemon squeezer. Add the lemon juice and an egg yolk. Always scrape down your bowl. If you're good, you scrape. You're good. Pastry flour is perfect for cookies because it has less protein than all-purpose flour, a little bit more than cake flour, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Back on low, just to come together. That's enough. Not too much. Candied orange peel and candied citron. It's like a citrus fruit. And whole pistachios get folded in. A lined loaf pan will act as our mold. Press that in nice and tight and in the fridge for a couple hours to firm up before we can cut them. That worked perfect. There is no laughter in the background. Please ignore that. If you got to, you warm it up a little bit. These are easy. You just cut them 1/4 inch thick and onto a sheet pan 1 inch apart. These are going to be good. These get baked at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. Oh, you can smell that on a rack to cool and crisp up.
Oh, that is melt in your mouth goodness. Citrusy, pistachio, buttery cookie. Rich, but not so rich you don't want to eat 12 of them.
Not for adults.
Oh.